Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I made this joint, or helped somebody, and he made it and said the fit couldn't be better. And if you remember in that video, I asked for him to test it. And this is what he's putting in, some wooden coins. Evidently he can print also, which is pretty cool. But then I started thinking inside of E-Cuts, which I haven't used the box joint that much, you could modify this box. And if you didn't watch part one, we had to do a lot to make it like a lid. And I started thinking the other way to make a lid would just be to make a double box. So we're gonna go to finger joint box. And the original one, I'm gonna make it first 2.25 by 2.25 by 2.25. And then inside of addition, you can put without cover. I've never tried the sliding lid, but that would be pretty cool. I'm gonna hit apply and then say okay. And here it is right here. So this is the box. We're gonna go again, same thing. No, the only disadvantage in this, you have to make, it takes up more wood. But I'd go like 12.55 by 2.55 by 2.55, and you could actually try it at 2.5, and we're still under without a cover. So we're going to say apply and then say okay. So this is going to be our top of our box. It eliminated one of the pieces of wood because we don't have a top. So if we take this and go to object and break the curve apart, take this one, object, and break the curve apart, this is our bottom, and this is our bottom of our new one. So we're going to take both those. I'm going to make the, if we look, this is 12.25, this is 12.55. I'm going to make the inner one blue, just so we can see it, the difference. I'm going to select them, I'm going to go both. I'm going to go CE, and that put it in the middle. And what this does, this red box will fit on over the blue box. So if the blue box is our normal size where the coins are going to go, this other box would fit over it, if that makes any sense. So it's basically you would have two parts. So like in this picture, this, if he would have done it this way, one box would just slide on the outside of the other. And then you could do, several things to even make it better. Once you get the larger part, if you hit the red and it shows red right here, I'm going to hit P, you could put some graphic on top of the box. Well, this is actually the side. Well, it's not going to have a lid. Yes, it is. The bottom is going to be our lid now of the bigger one. I need to make sure which one is the bigger one. This is the bigger lid, where this is the bottom that has all the joints in it. Or that was the bottom I had earlier. And this is our, well, that's our bottom. So it's actually going to be the top. And you could, because it's in the center of the page, you could do all kinds of little decorative or hit P. Actually, I had the wrong one. This will be your new top of the box. Having trouble grabbing it. So this is your new top, and you could have some decorative. And one, it would help you maybe pick up the lid, or so you could see the coins better. I mean, you could actually, depending on what size, the coins are and play with it, you could actually draw a rectangle and put it in about right there, put P, put it in the center of the page, round the edges off like 0.25. And the coins aren't going to fall out because they're going to be inside but you could see all the coins. Hope that made sense. I thank that person for sending me the pictures. He said it fit dead on. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.